Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to make a little shoe for a baby girl. So I am using white color of yarn and 3 mm needle. So let's start. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. First of all, we will chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now 2 more and make half double crochet for 2 times, 1 and 2. Now make half double crochet in remain stitches till to the end except last one. Now I done my all half double crochet, and in the last one I will make 6 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now tight it. Now again make half double crochet in the remain stitches except last one. Now in the last one I will make 3 half double crochet. Now make a slip stitch in the second. Okay, this is my first one chain and make in the same one single crochet. In the second make 2 single crochet. In the third make 2 single crochet and make 3 single crochet in a row. 1, 2 and 3. Now half double crochet 2 times, 1 and 2, and now a double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now make 2 double crochet in 6 stitches. Twice double crochet in 6 stitches. Now do same to the opposite side. 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 half double crochet, 1, 2, 3 single crochet, 1, 2 and 3, and now make 2 single crochet in 2 stitches. This is my second row. Now let's start my third one. 1, 2 and 3. In the same make 1 half double crochet. Oops. 1. In the second make 2 double crochet. Third 2 double crochet, and now make 1, 2 till to the double crochet from this end 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 stitches make one double crochet. Now make 2 double crochet in the next and 1 double crochet in the next, 2 double crochet in the next and 1 double crochet in the next. So make 5 set of 2 1 2 1. Now I did my 5 time 2 1 2 1 set of double crochet, and then I did my 1 double crochet in the remaining stitches except last 3 1. So I will do 2 double crochet in the same stitch, 1 2 and 3, and make a slip stitch in the third stitch. So this is my third round. Now make 2 chain and in the make half double crochet into the same stitch, back loop. And make half double crochet in back loop all over till to the end. No increasing, no decreasing. Only do half double crochet in back loop till to the end. Now I did my half double crochet all over till to the end. Now I will chain 1 and make in the same stitch single crochet and make 15 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 15 single crochet. Sorry, it was 16 single crochet. Now I'll make half double crochet in the front post, half double crochet into the front. This is my next. Make half double crochet front post, then make in the back loop, into the back loop, this one, make half double crochet into the next, make half double crochet. Now in the next, this one, make front post. So we will make like this for 6 times. This is my 1, this is 2, and now I am starting my third one. Now make front post, half double crochet into the back. See, and this is my front post. Make 6 times. I make 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now make half double crochet, single crochet into the next remaining stitches till to the end. It will look like this. Now again chain 1 in the same, make single crochet and make single crochet in the next 15 stitches. It was 15 stitches, sorry, I was a little bit confused. Now I reach to my front post, half double crochet, so I will do half double crochet front post to the same stitch. Now skip one stitch and do half double crochet in the next back loop like this. Now again make in the front post, make half double crochet, front post, skip this one and in the next make half double crochet. Now again make back post, front post, and in the back loop skip one, in the back loop make half double crochet. Do it for till to the next front post. Now it will look like this. See, it's shaped like this. And now I will start my single crochet in the remaining stitches till to the end. Now again chain one, single crochet in the same stitch and make 15 single crochet. Now this is my first front post, so make half double crochet, front post, skip this one and direct to the next front post, make half double crochet. Oops, yes. Now again skip this one and to the next half double crochet, skip this one to the next half front post direct, skip this one and skip this one. So this is my last round of decreasing. See how beautiful it looks. Now single crochet till to the end. Now make 2 chain and in the same make half double crochet and now do 11 half double crochet in a row. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. Now make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. Now skip 5 stitches and in the fifth make half double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5. In the fifth one make half double crochet. So this is my buttonhole. Now again make half double crochet till to the end. Now I completed. Now make in the in the last half double crochet slip stitch like this. This is my right side. Now make slip stitch till to the next side. 1 2 3. I did my 16 slip stitches. Now I will do 2 chain, 1 2 and make in the same half double crochet and make half double crochet till to the end. Now this is my end. Now I cut my yarn. Here I finished. And now make Now this is my little cute 0 to 3 months shoe. Put a button over here and see how beautiful it looks. You can put a bow or a flower, anything you want to for decoration. It's up to you. I hope you will like it. We'll see you in next tutorial inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.